video with this, how many kids we can learn in 1 hour, bro?
This motherfucker.
Free candy for 1 hour, yo. What's that, Van? I feel go off, I'm telling you.
I know, Parm's gonna be the main star in that video, like the main. He's gonna be the MC. Guys, fucking middle of the fucking snow, but we still wearing the fucking flip-flops. Yes, Gotta take cold showers, my boy. Oh, fuck.
You drop anything?
It's just my phone. I got the trapper phone. Let's go and follow Kabir.
Back of Philly.
Oh, yeah, play that shit, play that shit.
I'll play one after.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Trust me.
Play the Hail Mary, bro.
It's not 96 anymore, bro.
Come on, girl.
Sosa life, baby.
Play Long Sosa.
Long Sosa, I bet.
All right, boys, we about to hit Vanetti's on some, you know, slight cheat meal. Not really, but no such thing as a cheat meal, boys. Yes, everything in moderation.
One slice only.
Yeah, this boy been hitting the gym hardcore, so we're gonna give him a slight reward, and it's gonna fit his calories. Don't even sweat it, boys. Yeah.
Yo, I just want to say, I've been putting all y'all motherfuckers on. Josh, I took one of Vanetti's. This guy was horned as fuck. Now you better be horned as fuck. I took UV. He loved it too. Like,
all right. This is right in the hood, and if this shit bangs, yo, I'm gonna come to this spot religiously.
The fuck up,
let's fucking go. All right, shut the light off.
Let's rock it. Let's go.
Bang the left turn. Good execution, Plum. Let's go.
Yezzuh. Kabir should know how to get here. Yezzuh.
What the fuck Kabir? You get lost or what?
Nah, he's right there. See the watch that I rock, the clothes that I wear.
Kabir out here first, baby. Let's go.
Right here.
All right, boys. We out here. 96, 128. Sanjay Punjab Sweet House right there. There's a fucking Chevron right there.
Shout out Chevron.
Yeah, boy.
This is the real hood. Like,
yeah.
We from our hood. Like, this is our hood right here. Like,
yeah. 604 Surrey represent. Surrey celebrities up in this bitch. Yes, huh?
This is the hood, bro. Like, this is home, bro. This is actually what we call home right here.
Motherfucking, we play out to a pizza spot. Come in, we're open, baby.
Run your fucking pockets, bro.
What? What?
You like run your pockets through a fucking snowball at him, man. How are you? Great, man. I have to bring all my influencer friends for. They love your pizza store.
Let's go.
They're actually like in love with it.
It's my first time trying it.
First time. We're gonna try it on stream today.
Daddy, chill.
I told y'all, like,
Parm is saying this is the best pizza in Surrey. Parm saying the best pizza in Surrey.
Seriously, you know how many times I've been here. Like, wherever I eat, like I'm putting all the creators on stream, brother.
That's a good advertisement, I tell you right now.
Yeah,
you're gonna fucking love this shit, bro.
We're eating it on stream too, so you're all gonna see our reactions. Could we get 4 ranches as well? Yeah. Thank you. How was your day so far? Good, yeah, busy.
It's Parm carrying and securing the pizza for us. Yeah, so Vanetti's pizza.
He's a great guy.
But yo, hold on, boy. Bag a taste test right now.
Taste it? No.
We can't see shit, man. Oh, let's go, man. Fuck it. The dog's barking and shit. Yo, get this guy. Get this guy. Yo, go to me out here.
Yo, I just want to go home, bro.
Yeah, run your markets, bro. Yes, sir.
Here, hold this in the passenger. I'll see you all. We'll see you all in the beach.
Every day I think about the money. Let's go. We gotta eat good, baby. Got a new home.
You ain't trying to fuck.
Get your shoes on. Right, boys, we got the pizza delivery boy.
The Rottweiler, it's a pretty vicious dog, yo, I heard. It's pretty vicious.
Get the reaction.
Like, it's actually a pretty vicious dog, yo. Like,
shit.
that shit's like you, bro.
Yeah, remember it's a Humpy on stream?
That shit's fun.
What?
I barely survived that shit.
Yes, sir.
The Roddy, bro. The Roddy.
The Roddy.
Mid-life. Is this your boy?
Yeah. Let's see, Psychology. What's good? Yes, sir. Let's get it, baby.
Look at the fucking jerk circle fucking set up. Let's go.
Sexy fat porn. Yo, come on, bro. Bro, Coach said I could have a slice of pizza today, so I'm having a slice.
Yeah, juice.
Chad, how are y'all doing today, bro? I'm curious. How was UV stream? Y'all fucking with it or not?
Yo, say what's up to the fucking vlog, boys.
It was good, Chad. See, what's good. Condola, I asked him the other day. He said he didn't. Shut the fuck up. That's not true. Yo, Coach, I FaceTimed him every time I was there. So you
yeah. This guy FaceTime me. We give him a fucking form check, motherfucking gym check.
We give every check, bro.
Drip check.
Straight shit, man. Yo, drip check, low-key go hard. Yo, let's get the Coach B drip check, man. What the fuck are these sweatpants, bro? Come here. What are these, bro? What are these sweatpants, bro?
You can pull them off.
You can pull them off. Come
You can
here.
pull them off.
This is a drip, bro.
These are the Patrick sweatpants, bro.
Yo.
Oh,
guy.
stream.
What the fuck happened?
Oh shit.
Yo. Is Tyson, right? Oh, wait. Was it Tyson?
One check. Hey yo. Yo.
Yo, is this fucking Tyson, man?
Yeah, Friday stream gonna be lit, yo. It's me.
Oh, shit. I got better plans on Friday, boy.
You're right,
I got better plans on Friday.
You're right, you're right. This your stream outfits and shit?
Yo, I'm not lying, bro.
First the makeup, now this?
Check a plate, fam.
Wait, what you got? Veggie pizza and what?
No, it's chicken tandoori.
I got
and-
y'all tandoori chicken.
and
Damn, look
cheese.
at this.
And then I just wanted
Wants a fucking plate.
I just
I'm
wanted
gonna
a,
get him out.
I just wanted a slice of cheese, so I got cheese as well.
Okay, no.
Fucking Yui, man.
You be taking plate, bro.
Damn,
Fucking plate, man.
Daddy, chill.
Imagine I dropped the whole pizza.
That'd be a golden
What you guys
stream.
saying, yo? W pizza or what?
Yo, shoot, yo, coach. First name, ball after, yo.
Oh my god, this is like a fucking indoor fucking court, yo.
I'm just taking one.
Cheese looks killer.
Taking
Do
like 10 pounds.
you want? Cheat day, cheat day.
Yeah, it fits my macros. Yo, it fits my macros, boys. It fits my
If it
macros.
fits the macro, if it fits the
Yo,
macro,
this is my second meal of the day, so I don't give a fuck, yo.
Coach made us have like fucking Greek
I
yogurt.
did a 24-hour fast before
That
this
Greek
shit.
yogurt was fucking gas, bro.
Yo, the Greek yogurt. I mean, these guys all eat Greek yogurt before this, yo.
This is cheese?
Cheese. Fuck the cheese, right? Fuck the cheese.
What do you
Fuck the
guys
chicken, chat. Which
We did not get the Greek yogurt on camera, unfortunately,
buy
because we were too much in a rush.
I got him to do Q&A. I don't know how many questions we got.
You're a horrible.
Dog got finesse.
Guy, man.
Give him a treat. Pardon me, one treat?
Fucking
What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie. Don't be talking shit. Ban this motherfucker, man.
You make me a moderator or some shit, man. I can't fucking talk in this guy's chat.
Why can't you talk? What do you mean? You
They
can't?
fucking banned him from your chat.
Wait, what?
You got banned?
No way.
Free Kabir.
That's
Free
fucking
Kabir,
jokes.
we'll free the guy, we'll free the guy.
Give me sugar
You
Red
mod
Bulls.
me or some shit, man. What you got?
Red Bull,
It's
Monster,
always-
juice.
Yo, give me the monster instead.
How would you like the process of making a PC today, bro?
It's good. I just kind of got depressed at the end.
Wait, why you got what is sus ass shit in the stream room? Like fucking Vaseline, you got a suit? Like,
You gotta
over
make
there?
sure your lips are not fucking chapped. At least start standing up if you have chapped lips.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit doesn't hit the same. I don't
This
know what
shit-
it is.
this
Maybe
shit-
it's just like, cause like now like I don't know what it is.
The only just 1 or 2 slices max, Parm.
I'm not gonna eat like one more. I just have one, bro. Okay.
Alright, pass me a ranch after.
Bad. There's hella more, bro.
Alright, don't worry.
There's more than
If you don't finish it, if you don't finish it.
Here.
Yo, where's the chat at?
Boom! Earthquake? Oh, fuck.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
No, not again. That was a one-time thing, bro.
What that thing?
One-time thing.
If you saw a stream, you did. Be there, be square, baby. Yeah, huh?
Kung Fu Panda and shit. That's fucking jokes. That shit actually got me laughing, yo. I'm
Yes,
not.
huh?
W script.
Why does Parm weigh 500 pounds? Official weigh come tomorrow, boys. Stay
Official
tuned.
weigh-in
Yes, huh?
True.
Okay.
What's next?
Let's go. The fuck? Copy and pasted all this bullshit off Google.
Buddy, yada, yada. Who is your hero? Speed round, right?
James Charles.
Gary Joel. Bobby.
I'm gonna say Kobe Bryant.
Speed round, actually speed round, right? If you could live anywhere, where'd it be? Miami. California, actually.
Cali.
I'm picking, what's that fucking place in Texas? Not Houston, though. The one that starts with A.
Alabama.
No, no. You motherfucker. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Somewhere Texas, bro.
What's your biggest complaint about your job? Yo.
Man, ain't no complaints.
Ain't no complaints, baby.
Ain't no complaints.
We live in the fucking dream out here, boy.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
But I'll tell you, I did have a series of shitty jobs. Winners, Toys R Us. I worked there for free for work experience. And what do you call it? My shittiest job was probably like the warehouse jobs.
Yo, you know what I told Coach to do?
What?
I told him to start doing story times on YouTube.
Yeah, no, 100%. It's gonna
100% is gonna bang, yo. 5 to 10 minutes max, yo.
Chad, would you guys watch the story times by Coach B? 100%.
Yo, what is your...
What about you? What was your biggest accomplishment?
Biggest accomplishment. As of late, I went to my mentor's event, and what do you call it? I got the Consistency King Award. So,
Oh,
yeah.
no, that's
Consistency King Award?
Yeah, and like, what do you call it? My mentor, like, he's a fucking boss.
Yeah.
When everybody closed the fucking gyms in BC, he kept his open. And he's fighting fucking lawsuits still this day. His name is Brian Mark.
That bald guy?
No, it's not. No, that's the fucking Pro Olympia, Mr. That's
yeah.
the Mr. But the guy who fucking hired him to come do the fucking thing.
Got you.
Right, so his name is B Mark Fit, right? And yeah, he drives a fucking Lambo. He just wrapped it up, put winter tires on it. It's a fucking white Lambo, yo. Fucking.
Wait, that's fucking heat.
Yeah, and yo, if you guys follow me really hard on Instagram, yo, that's my biggest accomplishment. I just want to make him proud because he believes me, and yeah.
My biggest accomplishment is probably doing the Foot Locker documentary so far.
No,
Yeah, and what do you call it? I got the award because I would say affirmations in the his client group, which has 1,400 members on Facebook every day. Yo,
Chat,
so.
y'all don't know, but like, That I always wanted to work at Foot Locker since I was young, and getting to work with them on the marketing side was fuck.
Oh yeah, what motivates you to work hard?
Just to drive. I don't know. I don't know what motivates.
It's my drive. It's my power. You know.
The people around you actually motivate.
What about you, Coach?
It's bigger than me. It's for my whole family. I gotta retire my mom. Motivates me,
Go
bro.
down.
Best gym in Surrey. Not best gym in Surrey. Best gym in Surrey.
Yezzuh!
Go down.
Inspiring. You know, telling motherfuckers that there's another path you can do and follow your dreams.
Yeah, inspiring, motivating. I'm a college dropout too, so yeah. Chase your
College
fucking dreams.
dropouts, baby.
Yezzuh!
We ain't going to school, bro. I ain't going to school.
Pass
man.
high school because you get the basic shit. And
Pass
then,
high school. Yeah, pass high school. Don't drop out of high school, bro.
How old Coach V is? How old are you?
I'm 25.
You know, I feel like Coach V's gonna be like the Bradley Martin of our group, yo.
Yo.
That's exactly what we need.
Shit. No.
A home gym set up at our house and we'll work out every day, yo. I
We
swear
should
to God,
stream every
yeah.
morning, imagine.
Yeah.
How
Every
often
single
do
fucking
you buy
workout.
clothes? Probably like every month.
I barely buy clothes to be honest. Like I buy it when it's like a fucking sick ass deal.
Go down.
What's your favorite family recipe? Bakra? Yes, sir. Yeah, go me.
right
Yeah,
now.
let's go.
I'm going to the kitchen right now.
That's the current.
Somebody copied 100 fucking questions from
For me?
Google. I swear. What the fuck?
If you could join any.
Oh, we might go back to the list. Can I suck your dick, Coach? Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Yo.
Pass.
That's because you're
Yo,
in chat.
you,
This is your
bro.
chat. This is your community right here, bro.
Coach V's literally shrink because of exercise and working out.
To be honest, yeah, it went back inside me, right? And then
Now he's gone.
now it's gone, and now like I'm actually become a transgender woman, and like actually.
Big things coming soon. We already told y'all, man.
Big things coming soon, chat.
And I'm actually compete in the Women's Olympics. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get all types of gold medals.
Olympians. I don't think he lives though.
Yo, the guy in the
Nah, I just go to gym, make videos, come back home.
God, the great hoodie.
Do a circle jerk of hypertonic
Who's got
osmosis
the gravity?
post workout, and then yeah, come back.
This kid's converting, man.
Yo, so this is for your stepmom, punk.
You guys are fucked, bro. Okay, next. Call someone, but like, I don't know.
Yo, are you good at prank calling?
Oh, you gotta call Gary, bro.
Oh, fucking stop saying that shit. We'll keep it low key.
I
Yeah.
don't think they're gonna fucking go and tell me.
They're not gonna fucking tell Gary. What is he gonna do?
What if he's live right now?
What if Gary's like,
Gary goes live randomly, you know?
Gary's gonna be like, get the fuck out of here, man. What? This is not a fucking out song though, like that, is it? It is.
You got, for Bunga, you gotta follow the beat, yo. So.
Nah, I'm not a fucking artist, bro.
Alright, boys, out to gaming, shout out to gaming. Motherfucking reacted to our music video, yes, huh?
It was a banger, man.
The cut. I see LeBron James. Yo, this is a fire picture right here. Just this.
Yes,
right
sir.
here. This shit fire.
Yo, what the goon, bro? Y'all can't see that. But, yo, turn off our camera real quick. Oh, okay, fuck it.
Live road to the cut.
I like
Yeah,
it.
there's
I
a
like
primal meal.
Yes, sir.
Hey, go ahead. Hey.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Out to gaming, up on the link in the bio. Let's go.
Do your thing.
Do your thing,
Yeah, let's go. Yes, sir.
Turn off the next one.
Face him.
What's going on, baby?
Yo, Josh, man. Fuck. You won't believe what happened, bro.
What happened?
Fuck, man. It's fucked, yo. I'm like fucking so stressed, bro.
Did you fucking jerk off?
Nah, bro. None of that shit, man. If I jerked off, man, I would own it like a champ. I'll be like, yo, I relapsed. Make a fucking TikTok and shit. But yo, this is more serious than that, yo. I still work at Winners and fucking jerk off like all day long. Like fucking that shit's like fiend that shit. Like because it was for a work experience, I would never get paid, yo. No, like you know, Winners, right? You know, Winners is the fucking store where you buy clothes and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. They made me the little bitch. Like I was doing it for work experience and shit, and it was all for free, right? Cause stuck in the Matrix, right? And fucking, what do you call it? These guys are talking shit, right? And then it escalated, and then these guys like fucking started fighting each other, bro. These guys started fighting each other, and then fucking, yo, like, I don't know, like, how this fucking shit's gonna play out, like, because, yo, these guys have beefed it mad hard, yo. Yeah, Parm and UV, what should we do, bro? But UV start tickling Parm, right? As boys and shit, just trying to fucking fuck with him. And then, yo, we got too traumatized and shit, and then this guy fucking beefed it straight up, yo. yo, fucking Kung Fu Panda sit on it, bro. Like, yo, that's fucked, yo. But like, yo, man, like, how can we make these guys like fucking make up and shit, you know? Yeah, because like, yo, that's fucking shit up, you know? Like, what the fuck? These guys are supposed to be in the same team, man, you know? I ain't with nobody, bro. I'm just.
So I'm saying, like, fucking, I don't know, tell UV to fucking get him like a little Pizza 73 gift card type shit, you know? Parm can probably go to like fucking Sephora and get him a few, like, you know, mascara, fucking things or some shit, you know, some lipstick, you know, like, it's like.
This guy knows that.
Yo, This guy's like, yo. This guy's like, yeah.
What the fuck was that?
This guy said makeup and shit for me, man.
Yezzuh! Yeah, I told him, make a more believable story. Yo. This guy thought it's believable. The part thought it was believable. I'm like, yo, visit Josh gonna know. Yeah. No, we can put it right now. I'm recording a YouTube video. No way, you got by, bro. It's just the beginning, yo.
I knew right away.
You know right away, yo. You're a fucking legend. You're too smart for that shit. You already see everything coming, bro. Fucking, what do you call it?
I just tried to play along.
Don't worry, bro.
Man.
Yeah, Palm L storyline.
This guy.
Palm L storyline.
I thought it was a W too, man.
Get the fucking shot of the fucking weights.
Live.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Yeah, forearm workout. Is the mic working?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, go all the way down to your fingertips and get some sick ass forearms. Don't mar the mutt. I swear to God, do not mar the mutt. You gotta work out your forearms like this. And nose you work out your forearms. You know, the reason we couldn't do this at the gym because we built the fucking PC today. And yeah, Palm was already leaving. And
Wait, so forearms, you be working on your forearms?
yeah.
I do like one exercise for forearm. I don't know what it
Yeah,
it's like reverse. I don't know what it is. No, fuck. It's like this.
Oh yeah, reverse curls.
Yeah,
Yeah.
reverse curls.
I thought you were gonna do some such shit, yo.
I'm one of those guys like, yo, I do a few rounds of beating my meat to the hand tight. Second exercise like this. When the pizza to use, you know, you guys think it's a cheat meal, but no, it's filling my forearm workout. Don't be a lily.
Don't be your lily, chat.
Don't beat the willy. Don't fucking you know, only time you touch your lily is to oil it up and you know, smash some Aisha pussy, you know, like fucking.
Aisha.
Oh my
some street hoe, you know, like you know, it's somebody's wife or girlfriend.
Coach Vidal's rocking the pink pajama talking this shit right now, yo.
Yo.
Yes, somebody's what do you call it?
I got pink shorts right here. Me and Coach can match.
Why don't you guys match?
Oh, these
Match.
are
Go match with
actual.
them. Go match with them.
Yo, wait, I Coach you on the red hoodie too.
Go match with them. Go match
Alright,
with
right here,
them.
let's go. No, chill.
Do it right there.
Alright, fine. Oh, wait, okay, relax.
Can we record you change it?
No, bro.
Fucking forearms burning, you keep going, boys. Yes, I cut it now. Alright, boys, I don't know how many slices I ate, but yo, we gotta finish this shit. This pizza is killer though. I don't know how you go live. Venetti's, shout out Venetti's, yo. They legit Parm, bro. Venetti's.
It's good. I
Certified.
I told you, bro.
Yes,
So we're waiting for my brother, right?
Munch this out.
Small protein.
The fucking Coke Zero, just open this bitch.
Fuck, I'm gonna get some water down. Actually, no, I have water right there.
Calling the younger bro, see if he clutched the setup.
Your PC looks fire, yo.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Like, fucking.
Sick. Bro,
It's actually like one of the best PCs I've seen, actually. That case is sick.
W sweatpants, yo.
Yes, I bought these in Los Angeles, baby, and I couldn't wear them for like a full year because I got too fat and shit, and then I got ripped, and then yo, I made some savage ass motivational videos wearing these.
Yo,
Like, Parm, sweating.
Mods run prediction.
Let me just wait, man.
Jamal, where do you
Yeah.
Get off me, man.
Shit.
2-2.
Where you like that?
Parm, how do you feel?
I'm just that guy, bro.
UV.
You ain't that guy, bro. You that guy that eats all that pizza.
Who you got? Who you got, brother?
I'm not gonna lie, Parm beat me.
Yeah, baby.
Parm. I'm going for the Clippers, so that's UV.
Fuck the
I think
Clippers,
he
bro.
sucks at this game.
I don't suck at this game, bro.
2 minutes.
He's like,
3-minute quarters.
Yeah,
I've not touched 2K in like fucking like 3-4 years. Yes, let's get it.
that actually happened. This game is fucking crazy.
We had the W. The winner!
man. I didn't knew he was gonna shoot him. Chat Loki down to me. Chat Loki thought Pump was gonna win. I
I
fucking
should have.
ass
I actually should
Whoa,
have.
there's 13 seconds, man. Wait till the end. Is it 13 seconds left? What are you doing?
4-point
I
game.
fucking lost, bro.
You quit earlier. It
you,
ain't
Chad.
over till the last second, boy.
Coach, we get Chad to vlog.
Bro, don't cry in the washroom
I
now.
was getting my water, yo.
He's gonna go sit in the shower.
Just go there or what?
It's 13 seconds left, and it's only a 4-point game,
This game
bro.
is so bullshit. Fuck this game.
This is going to be a fucking clip. Yo, I swear to God, yo, fucking Farm, bro.
I should have won this
Parm
shit.
versus 2K.
Like,
Farmer's 2K.
Parm versus 2K.
Nah, the Lord knows I should have won that game. The Lord
Record
knows
me,
I should've
record
won
me.
that game.
Parm versus Lord right now. Oh shit.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Coach, me with the
Oh
push-up.
shit.
Yes, sir. You're going to use that.
Position goal.
I'm getting ready to butt fuck Parm. Yo, after that fucking shitty performance.
That was insane. Holy shit, bro. That was so uncalled for. Holy shit.
This vlog might be lit, yo. I swear, this vlog might be epic, yo.
You quit 13 seconds early.
How the fuck am I gonna win? How am I gonna win?
Can't
14 seconds left.
Complain, blame, and make excuses all for losers, bro.
Let me tell you something. Okay, you're right.
Yo, 13 people chat. I don't know, better.
I go like that, right? That's fucked.
Go again.
All right, boys. First time playing 2K in like 3 years. Me versus Lavraj, and yeah, let's pick some teams. Are we going random? Let's go. I got goal
Coach
list.
can't use Golden State, bro.
What do you mean? I haven't played for like 3 years, yo.
Yeah, this requires skill, buddy.
I got that Hawks. Yeah, go. Hawks,
Alright, man.
Raptors, or Warriors? Warriors versus
Wait, this is
Celtics.
the finals, right?
Let's go, baby. Draymond Green is Senate? What the fuck?
Oh, you won the tip? Oh, how's he open? Okay.
Oh, yo. What's the thing on? Is it on Hall of Fame? Timeout, last fucking play. We got 26 seconds on the clock. He's up by 3.
Yo.
And then, yeah. Yeah, I haven't touched 2K in like a few years, so I'm like.
Robert Williams, the third player of the game.
This is a W to W,
I
right?
thought it was gonna be a blowout type shit. Screen it, yeah. Oh yeah, easy, get that, easy.
Oh, Robert Williams!
You still got ball.
Fuck you, backpack jumper, Draymond Green ass bitch. I swear to God, yo.
This game, that's fucking
Yo, 2 3-pointers by Curry. I'm fucking fouling me, you know.
You know, coach, he's not gonna quit till the fucking buzzer.
Yeah. We're not pulling the point out yet.
Flagrant 2 and 1 3. 4-point play with the ball back.
All I want to tell you guys is play your all to the last fucking play and shit. Okay.
Oh, shoot that now.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
that's all you could have done.
Imagine that was a 4-point play.
But it doesn't matter, it's a 5-point game. 3! Even that one. Oh, shit.
Lavraj wins. Good game.
GG.
Like
GG's.
a man.
Good attempt.
Yeah.
I'm there.
Let's go! That's so bullshit. How the fuck did this guy win? Sit the fuck down. Out of everybody, this guy won.
Did you guys see that release?
What the
Out
chair
of
did?
everybody.
Make it full screen.
I thought I was gonna hit the
Make it full
game
screen.
winner.
Make it full.
I thought I was gonna hit the game winner. Which one is it?
Game interview.
The other side, buddy.
Full screen, buddy. Full screen.
Right there,
Yeah. There you go.
So,
I thought I was gonna. I thought I was actually like ready to get up. Let's
go shoulders! Lots of push and pull in that game. How do you feel after winning?
Hey man, I feel good as fuck, man. You already know I'm using dumbbells and microphone. I deserve this win, man. Everybody doubted me, Chad doubted me, these motherfuckers doubted me. I fucking beat everyone. Besides Coach B, but you already know I was gonna be that too. But you know me. We are here. Yezzuh moment for sure.
So ready to get up after that shot. I thought it was gonna be a green, bro, and I thought I was gonna hit the game winner.
The only thing that's green is my
Nah,
cum
I'm still
somehow.
sitting- I'm
Call me the
still
Grinch.
sitting.
Call me the Grinch. My cum is green. Boom.
What is this?
Wait till I get my money right. Oh, I had a dream I could find my way to heaven. When I woke up smoking on a necklace. All right, boys. Back out here at Memory Express one day later, and they fixed the PC. Motherboard was shorting. Like Kabir didn't put. I'm calling you out. I'm calling you out, bro. You didn't put in the IO shield, and man, we were cutting corners, bro. No, so. Yeah, bro. But I still appreciate you building this. But yo, that's what happened. So when you watch this vlog, you know what's good, yeah. Motherboard was shorting. I think he used the wrong screws here. And yeah, Memory Express fixed the job, and they did charge me $50 to run a diagnosis test. So yeah, it is what it is, but at least the computer finished, and that's all I'm happy about. So yeah, so lots of videos on the way, especially after I have 2 PC and now iMac. Yeah, it's going to be epic. So stay tuned. All 2023, we're taking over. Even finishing off 2022, going to start going ham. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video for all your friends. Yeah, so let's get it.